To support us, you can place commission via Fiverr, link in description below. Get our exclusive content including high-resolution image, live wallpaper and source file via Patreon. In the previous sections, we had inner frame and middle frame, which will combine together to create a stable frame. Now it's time to add exterior for it. For the frame, we may not pay more attention about which type is your mecha, but for the exterior, you have to make the decision. With this project, it will be a high-performance and high-mobility model. First aspect, how to create a HGH performance design. The answer is multi-layer design. A mechanic detail will be generate heat while running, the higher performance, the higher heat. The solution is split the detail into many layers. With this solution, there are two benefits. One is reducing workload on each module. Two is creating space for cooling air. Now we can apply this philosophy into this model sensor system. Apply the similar method for the other side. Second aspect, which design long will fit with the high-performance model. The first type of armor, we can call it flat armor. With this type, the air resistance is highest, so it will be suitable for high defensibility model, not high performance model. The second type of armor, we can call it angled armor. With this type, the air resistance is lowest and it will be suitable for high performance model. The weakness of this type is low defensibility. The third type of armor, we can call it rounded armor. With this type, the air resistance and the defense ability will be balanced. In this model, we will choose angled armor to apply on the exterior design. When applying this sharp design language, the mecha will have a high mobility because of low air resistance. As the beginning, air disturbing will strong and it will stable for a while. That will help the mecha have a high mobility. In the next section, let's dive deeper in multi-angled surface design, which will be the core design language and will go with us through the whole machine.